Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love doing unboxings and you guys love unboxings too. I just received my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of June. This is gifted in PR, so thank you in advance to Ipsy for gifting. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this feels very, very lightweight. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize because some people complain. I don't know why. Mama can't see, okay? I've been out all day, been running errands and stuff like that. I'm sweaty. I'm a mess. I am a hot mess. So I have to keep the glasses on. It's either we see the reflection or we see the glasses marks. And they're not cute either. So, you know. I look today is the Nomad Cosmetics America's Parks palette. They just did a re-release. I have videos and stuff like that up, but I do apologize in advance about the glasses, y'all. I cannot help it, okay? Anyways, I hope everybody is well. I'm going to dive in. I'll pop deets right here, pricing and everything else. But we're going to go in. Oh, I love the theme. The card, that's so cute. You do get an informational card each month. Boxycharm by Ipsy for June 2025. Make bold moves. Bring on the bright hues and dopamine boosting glam. This month is all about chasing joy and expressing it through every look. And it generally gives us pertinent details, important dates, and things like that. It is generally packaged pretty well. There's some foam in here. Again, I don't have high hopes just yet, you guys. I do also get my paid for version. I still get my Ipsy. I've gotten it for 10 years. I always say with subscription boxes, I feel like you get the best bang for your buck. All right. First thing right on top. Oh, yay! I love this. This is one of my all-time favorite products. It's the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer, silicone-free smoothing primer. I actually have quite a few videos of using this, and I use it almost daily, almost every time I do my makeup. It's phenomenal. Next up is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum. I don't know the difference between this unless it's literally the color, you guys. Cult classic, OG favorite. I've definitely used this a million times. Next up is the Glow Girl Cosmetics, the lip oil in Literally. And it looks like it's going to be like a beautiful kind of salmon peachy color. I'm very curious to see what this looks like. I love the packaging. I don't usually swatch stuff and try things, but I'm so intrigued by this. Let me find a little towel. I do want to try it. And I've never heard of this brand, which is something else I really like about Ipsy and Boxycharm and subscription boxes. We get to try new brands, get our feet wet with different brands. I hope it has a big doe foot applicator and I hope it smells delicious. Oh yeah, big doe foot applicator. Looks like a lot comes off. I don't really smell anything at all. Maybe slightly fruity. Sometimes I'll smell it more on the lips. Ooh, that feels nice. And it actually gives a really beautiful flush of color. I didn't think there was going to be like next to any color. Ooh. I love that. I'm keeping that out and keeping it right beside me, y'all. I love that. All right. Next up, we have the Maison Louis Marie, I'm probably saying that wrong. The number 4, not even going to try to say that. I do apologize. And it is an eau de parfum. And if you're unfamiliar with the difference between an eau de parfum versus an eau de toilette, an eau de parfum is going to have a little bit more oils and natural oils and stuff like that versus having more of like an alcohol content. An eau de parfum is going to have a little bit more lasting power. So that is what the little component looks like. And I've definitely tried their fragrances before. I can't remember if we've gotten number 4 or not. I also note it is a spray, not a rollerball. I don't know if it's just me. It probably is, y'all. I do not like rollerballs. Maybe I'm just a lazy heifer, but I don't know. I'm going to spray this on like a sheet of paper first. And obviously the dry down is a little different on the skin than it is on the sheet of paper. I'll find the notes. I'm gonna put them right here. Oh no, no. That's what does that smell like? I don't know. I don't like it. I do not like this at all. I like very floral or fruity, but soft floral, and then fruity but with a little bit of like spice or warmth to it, or I love gourmand. This ain't it for me, honey. Maybe it's your favorite, and if it is, congratulations. And then last up in our box is in bubble wrap. So of course that means we got a palette. I think they need to revert back to giving us a palette in every single box. I think that's something we would all appreciate, especially those of us that are consumers. This is the Formula Z Pretty Magic eyeshadow palette. I hope what's on the inside is indicative of what's on the outside, because I cannot stand, you guys. Comment down below. Look, we're gonna have a bitch fest for just a second. I'm gonna bitch and complain. I feel like whatever's on the outside of this palette, I should automatically feel like, ooh, when I open this, it's gonna be sparkly, shimmery. There's gonna be soft blues and pastels and purples and stuff like that. And then when you open up a palette and the inside is nothing like the outside, y'all, it's such a pet peeve of mine. I don't know, I know we've gotten plenty of Formula Z, but I can't remember off the top of my head if I've actually used Formula Z. That's what I mean, y'all. When I look at this, I'm anticipating, which I did get a pretty, you know, a couple shimmers. I got the little purple and stuff like that. It's literally a neutral palette with just a little pop of color. I don't like that. I don't like when brands do that. Now, it does look really pretty. It feels cheap, not gonna lie to you, but they look really nice. And I do like that it does go from light to dark. There's a little bit of depth here. These could be beautiful transition shades for, I would feel like, most skin tones. But yeah, basically aside from these two, like, I don't know, I wanted to see springtime, summertime. I wanted to see this. Okay, you know, and comment down below. Let me know if that's something that, like, you're literally like, girl, that does not bother me. Just give me all the palettes. I don't give a crap. And you know, maybe nobody else cares. So I do like overall the box as a whole. I'm still gonna give it like a 4.5 yellow hearts out of 5. We got our Formula Z Pretty Magic palette. We got our Glow Girl Cosmetics, the lip oil in Literally. And I love this. Obviously it's a lip oil. I can't really attest to, like, you know, wear and stuff like that. It's incredibly thin. This kind of reminds me, even the packaging, kind of like Lunar Beauty vibes a little bit. But you can see the shine is gorgeous. It does give a little kiss, a little whisper of color, but it's very thin. I love this. I think this is great. And then we got our Maison Louis Marie perfume. our tight lights. Nope. Our Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum Mascara. And y'all know I'm a mascara hoe, baby. I love mascara. And then our Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer, which is one of my all-time favorites. Like, the one that I am currently using right now, never mind, it's still in my overnight bag. It's almost gone. That's how much I love that. Yeah, 4.5 out of 5. Not blowing my socks off, but I think it's a really good mix. And y'all, we didn't get any skincare, because I know y'all been dropping them comments saying you want more makeup. I think they delivered this month. I think it's gonna be a really good month. That is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you to Ipsy for gifting. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. It really does help me so much, you guys. I'm literally like 50 subscribers away from 6,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this, you feel a vibe, you feel a connection, you feel like you can relate to me in some kind of way, please consider subscribing. I'd love to get to 6K very soon. And my ultimate goal for the year is to get to 10,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for all the love and support. Thank you for being here. Also, today's the last day for choice. I'm going to hurry up and get this up as quickly as I possibly can. So don't forget to go make your choice selections for the month. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.